Okay, great. So, there we are. Alright, so I can't see that camera over there, but I can see this one here. First of all, let me say it like this. Today is the last day of having wired internet with a 50 megabit top speed. Tomorrow we're supposed to be getting fiber, where we'll have a minimum of 300 megabit speed. Anyway, Mom is on a Zoom meeting. I've had supper, watched the news, so on and so forth. Alright, so meanwhile, I was supposed to be working on this iOS CSJ50. I just haven't, it's just too tedious of a machine to work in. So I got out this thing here, which is a Sharp QT77 Mark II, and I started working on it, and I got it at lunchtime down to the point here where I've got both tape decks out, and I just need to replace the belts and put them back in. And I made a video earlier about taking it apart, but I haven't had time to upload it yet. So I was able to unstick the pause switch on this one to get this one actually working. This works, but the belt needs to be changed because they're loose. Right? So both belts need to be changed, but in the meantime, this Sony CFS-F10 arrived today, and so I said, well, let me just make a unboxing video of it. Alright, so here is this heavy box. Right, it came right here from wherever, and there's the box. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, there it is. Here, well, okay, you can't see it. Well, here it is. Okay, there it is. All right, so let me get my scissors. Okay, let me just get to opening this thing because, like I said, I want to try and finish this one here tonight, but I wanted to know about this one here because this is supposed to be a, here, let's see, this is supposed to be a blue small model, and it simply intrigued me as to what it looked like because it has the woofers to the inside and the tweeters to the outside. Okay, so I've never had one of these models before, but I've had other Sonys, and this one supposedly has a music search for the tape. Of course, the tape deck doesn't work. I expect that, but I'm sure I can repair the cassette deck. And it's just an odd looking model, and it's blue. Okay, so I don't know how many colors this thing comes in. I haven't had a chance to research that. Okay, so now we're getting to opening the box and getting that opened. Okay, and so this came like this. Okay, I know you can't see that, but it's bubble wrapped inside of this. It's a form-fitting box, so there's that. There is some more bubble wrap and a little bit of that there. Okay, so the box is nearly the same size as the model. All right. So now let's get to it's nice. Got a nice layer of bubble wrap around it. So we'll unclip this end. Get that, and we'll unclip this end because it looks like we just rolled it around to package it. Right, so hopefully we can salvage this. Okay, so, oh well, okay, we gotta, oh, here, give me this over here. That one, great. And that one almost got me. Okay, and then there we go. So now, let's get that out of the way. Okay, now we unroll it. Upright it so you can see it. Unroll, unroll, unroll. Right, so there it is. This is a very heavy model. It's very heavy for its size. So it's got a whizzer cone, in the woofers. Looks like a real tweeter, but there it is. Let me put it in the light so you can maybe see it. The only thing I don't like about it, it's got solenoid controlled soft touch cassette deck buttons, which means it's going to be belt dependent to make it work. Now, as far as features, this has a power button right here, and by the way, this is in English, okay? That's nice. You got volume, balance, tone, type 1 or type 2, line in radio and tape, FM stereo, FM and AM, a mixing mic, and on this end the tune knob, and on this end there's what? External mics, okay, headphone jack, AC input, a DC input, ISS button, okay, so that's what I was reading there in the dark. And then we've got line in and line out, and this takes 6 C batteries, okay, so, and it takes a regular size plug, standard plug, and I've got a standard plug right here, so you'll just plug it in. Oh, and the voltage rating on this is what? This is, see, 76 to 108 on the FM dial, and it's 100 volts, 13 watts consumption, not output. Okay, so it's 13 watts, 100 volts. Here we go. Let's plug it in and see what happens. All right, so plug it in. I'll just set it up here. Okay, and it's in line in mode. That should be radio. We should get something, anything. Oh, we got to turn the power on. That's right. Ah, there you got sound. In FM stereo. So the balance works. Goes that way, goes this way. I know you can't hear it.
Basketball game. Jones back in for Stone with 7:40.
Tone works.
Walk it up now.
Okay.
Forward, and out the past for some of us,
So
but there was something that would
there's a
accompany
tuning light for those of you who need to know that sort of thing. So it tunes in stereo.
flavorful,
Somewhere.
a little pep,
Fine. So
along with your delicious cup of coffee.
now it's a cassette deck
Admit that
door.
thing-
It pops right open.
Would be a nice
It has a
cigarette.
nice,
That's right.
Yep,
it's relatively clean on the
We
inside.
love it.
There's a song called
But-
Cigarettes and Coffee.
that's right.
Cigarettes and coffee, okay. So, and at this end we've got a power operation light, so you hit that, turns that on. You need that on a soft touch operated machine here, so, so the only question would be is, well, we probably, because it's solenoid controlled, we probably need to take a cassette and stick it in here, because it probably senses that the cassette is in the well. Alright, so we'll do that, we'll put it into tape mode, and we'll hit play. Nothing. Nothing. Let's see here. Can we hear the motor run? Yes, we can hear the motor running. Very good. Okay. Motor. Okay, so the motor stopped. Let's see here. Hit that. Hit play. It goes into play mode, but nothing turning. Okay, so the motor comes on and it goes off. That's good to know as well. Alright, so it does have some sort of auto stop because it's not working. Okay, so guaranteed he just needs a belt. Anyway, this is a very nice model as far as cosmetic issues. Aside from being old, and the antenna is complete. And it comes out smoothly, goes in smoothly. It's got the tip, and it's got some scale on the outside here, but the rest of it is nice and clean. So, you know, I'm sure you've seen the scale on these Japanese domestic models before. But aside from that, it's just very clean, sharp. It's just blue, light blue, baby blue, something like that. That's all I know. So I'd play it some more, but I want to end this because I got other things to do. I want to try and finish this tonight, hopefully. Okay. All right. So I've never seen one before. Sounds nice. All right. So let me just say goodbye to the Facebook people. All right. Goodbye, Facebook people. Finish. Okay. And then, yeah. Alright, so, oopsies. Post to profile, never delete. Post to profile, and we're doing that. Great, so we did that. And did I say it was today? I probably forgot to say it was today, but it's today! Okay, it's today. Alright, so. And, here, let me bring the Facebook camera in the Facebook. Let me bring the, this camera down. Give you up close and personal view of this. What I just played, so it's like that. Basic controls here. Can you see that? It's got, you know, metal normal tape, and your function buttons, right, and your mixing mic, who cares? And you got your basic controls there, right? And then it's got a tape counter right to, and I don't know, I haven't read all this stuff. There's what? Just a tuning knob there. Okay, we're going to unplug because we're not going to play it anymore. Alright, and then on this end there's what? On this end there's that. Okay, so that's what's got on that end. And on the back end, we never opened the battery compartment. Let's see, let's open it up for the first time live on film. Film? Can't get it open. Wow, there it goes. And it is, well, we can't see in there. Give me a light. Got a light handy? Yeah, here's a light. Okay. There's a light. Yeah, so it's, well, I can see in the camera, but I can't see with the naked eye. Okay, so that just needs to be scratched up a little bit. And down at this end, there's what? Well, who cares? We'll mess with it later, but so there's that. It's, yeah. Okay, great. So much for that. All right, so it's got that. Does this have any? No foam on that thing. Okay, we'll just put this back on here on camera so we can know we didn't lose it. All right, because that's so important to me to have this battery cover. Okay, great. So. And here, lastly, here's the, see if I can get it to where you can see it. That's close enough, right? Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go and work on this thing here, which, oh, that's right. Yeah, let me just briefly show you this, what I've got going on here. I've got, well, here, just handheld, right? So, back in October of 2022, we had this one here, which we worked on, and just my pictures as I took it apart. And anyway, this cassette deck works. This one here doesn't because the motor's bad, and that's it. So if you're in, this motor is no good. This one works, and I don't know if I made a video about that or not. Who knows? I can't remember. All right, so. That's the belt I need, so I need to know that size. Leave that up. And then over here are the pictures I took just today. So open with that. So here's the red one that I'm working on right now. Okay, so that, this. Let's see, do I have a picture? No, okay. Oh, alright. See this here? That was stuck in the down position, and it just wouldn't work. And so, get this thing out of my lap. So I was able to free this here. So now it works like it's supposed to. Alright, so worked my magic, and now we're going to replace belts on it and finish it up, and then work on the Sony. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go. Bye-bye.